My preference is to use the one on the right side, behind the white, yeah, right in here. Yeah, right in there, right on, you got her. Four-cat. Yeah, I prefer this lane here instead of that lane. It's not, you could use either one, but once you turn the corner and complete your left turn over there, you'll already be in the right lane. You won't have to make a right lane change. Reduces that risk of making a lane change. See, it pulls you right into the right lane.
Yeah.
So 3 months, okay, so January, February, March, you'll be back here in April?
Yeah.
You should book your road test for April.
Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as you get back.
Yeah, so I don't lose more information.
You know you could do that online, eh? On the drivetest.
Yeah.
.ca, okay. And are you using one of our vehicles, this vehicle, for your road test, or one of your own? Or?
Probably one of these, because
Okay.
I'm used to this now.
Okay, so then as soon as you book your road test, let me know what the date and time is, and then I'll be able to ensure that that slot is open for you.
Yeah.
Best time to go for a road test is morning, sometime before noon,
Got it.
and between 9 and noon is better actually, so you don't get the school buses there. If you go like somewhere maybe about 9 o'clock after the school buses. Let's make a left lane change. And at the traffic lights, we're going to turn left.